So, first update with the Project Alpha. The first thing that happened is the builder put a fencing around the property. What's the fence needed for? Well, that is to keep kids out. Now, jokes aside, it is a requirement to have fencing around in a construction site. So the first thing that happens is a plumber comes in and he disconnects the plumbing, water supply basically, off the property and also the sewage. And he puts a tap for temporary access at the properties. So water is still available for construction purposes. So the next day an electrician came and he disconnected the power running to the house, and he puts a private pole inside the property and puts a meter box there as well. So from there the builder can access power, and the meter that was attached to the house, he took it from there and placed it in that meter box. It's a temporary arrangement. That same meter will go back into the dwelling once it's finished. Also, a qualified tradesperson comes and disconnects the aircon if there is any. The reason for that is the gas in the air conditioning system has to be pumped back into a cylinder or container of some description safely. It cannot be allowed to be leaked. So this is very important. So now the Project Alpha is ready to be demolished, which should happen sometimes in next week. I shall keep you posted. Check back in soon. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.